Hey people, I have here a U-Haul. I guess it's about a 40 mil lock. I've just soldered in the vise, and I thought you may as well all have a look while I do to see what's inside it. Haven't pulled it apart yet. It's a U-Haul 40 millimeter brass padlock. I'm guessing some security pins, but I don't know for sure.
He's a psycho. He's not my friend.
It appears as if this plug is going to be a total bitch to get out.
Why did it come right at me?
Archie?
Oh.
No, I ain't busy here if you hadn't noticed. I want to know if you can get into Rick's email to look for signs. Warning signs. Of course. Now the groundbreaking 2020 hindsight policy kicks into gear. Students and a teaching staff that I'm responsible for every day. Get on my case because one kid overreacted.
Cool. So, we got one spool pin, two spool pins, one regular, and three spool pins, two regular. I guess it was a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 5-pinner. 3 nice new spools to go into my pin collection, my pinning kit. Yeah, so there we go, people. A peek inside the 40 millimeter U-Haul brass padlock. Peace, keep it legal, and have fun.